Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google Sign-in recovery flow and selecting Forgot Password. This immediately triggers verification prompts. Use the device and location you last signed in from because Google favors familiar patterns. Enter the most recent password you remember, even if it's close. Once done, provide the recovery phone number or email when asked. Make sure to read each prompt carefully and confirm any verification code you receive before moving to the next step, so the system recognizes you. Once done with initial prompts, you'll progress to identity verification. Expect SMS codes, Google prompts on a known device, or recovery email links. If you have a device already signed in, approve the prompt there. It's the fastest path. If not, type codes exactly as received and include any additional details requested, like account creation month and year or frequent contact names. Make sure to check spam folders for recovery mail and respond promptly to time-limited codes so the process continues smoothly. You'll reach the reset stage where you set a new password. Choose a unique, strong passphrase with numbers and symbols and save it in a password manager. After resetting, immediately review and update recovery email, phone, and two-step verification settings so you don't repeat this. If you're blocked, use the detailed account recovery form and provide as many accurate facts as possible. Troubleshooting tip: if codes fail, try the same computer and network you always used. Consistency often unlocks automated checks.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.